Watch this. These are the original flat stacks. They're made from a strong quality silicone, not plastic, much better for you and the environment. They go in the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, the dishwasher in any order. They're stain and odor resistant, so you can actually store them in the drawers with their lids on, and all the lids are color coded to match their bases. So if you have a cupboard like this at home, no more fishing for lids. You can transform your cupboard from this to this. The best thing about these, they work like a vacuum seal. So you lift up the little air vent on top, squish the air out to the level of your food, lock that back in, and now you've got loads more room to play with. Once that's locked in, they're 100% airtight and liquid tight. Nothing gets in or out and your food stays nice and fresh.
They always work. The clips stay down, they're the best I've ever had.
I find they're really good because I've got limited space in my cupboard.
Well, they're so multi-purpose. I can use them in the microwave. I can take them to tennis with my bananas and fruit in them.
They're good to cook casseroles and reheating things.
The flat stacks are being used all the time.
So I can contain them all together and it saves a lot of room.
I feel very happy, delighted.
These are the three main sets to choose from. We have the staple set, the small rectangles, 4 containers, and the biggest one is 1200 mils. We've got the large rectangles. There's a 2 litre and a 1.5. Perfect for marinating or just to store things like cereal, big boxes of chips. And this is the round set, which I love for soups, salads, and breakfast on the go. These are our new larger sizes. They're perfect if you're a baker. Store all of your cakes, breads, and bickies. They do come in the 3 different sizes. We've got the 5 litre, the 4 litre, and the 3 litre. This is our new mini set. Perfect for baby food, snacks, or sauces and salad dressings. Declutter your kitchen today. Click the link below.